We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced names too, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So how do you say it? Well, I guess in different countries and different languages it'll be said differently, right? This is often associated as a Spanish name, a female given name of Spanish origin. For reference, in Spanish it is said as Valeria, Valeria. Of course, the V is pronounced like a B in Spanish. Now in English, this is generally said as Valeria, Valeria. In Italian, Valeria, Valeria. In Spanish again, Valeria. In English, Valeria. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.